Question 26. Identify the viceroy who made the august offer in 1940.
Correct answer is Lord Linlithgow.
Question 27. The quantity of fresh water present on Earth is only about.
Correct answer is 2.5%.
Question B28. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is.
Correct answer is spiral.
Question 29. The name of the daughter of Quaid Azam was.
Correct answer is Dina.
Question 30. Which city of Punjab is known for handicrafts, glazed pottery, and camel skin work?
Correct answer is Bahawalpur.
Question 31. 1962 elections in Pakistan were of which type?
Correct answer is indirect.
Question 32. A.Q.A. Khan University was founded in.
Correct answer is 1985.
Question 33. The Delhi Pact was signed between Nehru and Liaquat Ali Khan in.
Correct answer is 1950.
Question 34. The youngest mountain range on the Earth is.
Correct answer is Himalayas.
Question 35. Shah Abdul Latif wrote his poetry in.
Correct answer is Sindhi.
Question 36. The world's second highest peak K2 is located in.
Correct answer is Karakoram Range.
Question 37. The direction of Hindu Kush is from.
Correct answer is northwest.
Question 38. What is the maximum height of Kurtha Range?
Correct answer is 2,150 meters.
Question 39. Iblis Ka Majlis-e Shura is a poem written by.
Correct answer is Allama Iqbal.
Question 40. Allama Muhammad Iqbal joined Muslim League in.
Correct answer is 1922.
Question 41. What percentage of 720 is 36?
Correct answer is 5%.
Question 42. In a dairy farm, 40 cows eat 40 bags of husk in 40 days. In how many days will one cow eat 1 bag of husk?
Correct answer is 40 days.
Question 43. If the cost of a loaf is Rs 5.5, what is the cost of 2 loaves of bread?
Correct answer is Rs 13.75.
Question 44. A is B's sister, C is B's mother, D is C's father, E is D's mother, then how is A related to D?
Correct answer is granddaughter.
Question 45. Which is the greatest number?
Correct answer is a third of 741.
Question 46. The Battle of Badr occurred in.
Correct answer is 2nd Hijri.
Question 47. 4 mat weavers can weave 4 mats in 4 days. At the same rate, how many mats would be woven by 8 mat weavers?
Correct answer is 8.
Question 48. Salati Istaska is offered on the occasion of. Correct answer is shortage of rain. Question 49. The book revealed on Hazrat Daud was.
Correct answer is Saber.
Question 50. 5 men